Look at this exam paper. The German is grammatically flawless and the vocabulary is advanced, yet it fails. The Goethe A2 Writing Exam requires you to answer 3 specific bullet points. If you miss just one, the examiner will deduct heavy points, regardless of your language level. To guarantee you cover every point, we will use a 5-step method. Read the situation, underline the required points, write exactly 1 sentence per point, add vergleidings, and run a final verification. Let's apply the first 2 steps to an informal prompt. You are running late to meet your friend Nina. We underline the 3 requirements. Point 1, apologize. Point 2, state why you are late. And point 3, provide your arrival time. Treat the exam prompt as a list of required data points. Filling these 3 slots accurately creates a secure baseline for passing the assessment. For step 3, we write 1 clear sentence per point. We start by directly fulfilling the apology. Hallo Nina, es tut mir leid, aber ich kann heute nicht pünktlich kommen. Next, we provide the reason. Ich habe 16 Uhr einen Arzttermin. Notice the prepositions. We use 16 Uhr for the exact time of the appointment, but for the arrival, we write Ich komme gegen 17:30 Uhr an. Using gegen indicates an approximate time, fulfilling the 3rd requirement. Since Nina is a friend, we execute step 4 by using an informal greeting, Hallo Nina, and a casual closing, Liebe Grüße, Anna. Compare that to this weak answer, Hallo Nina, ich komme später, ich habe Termin, bis dann. The mandatory apology is missing, Termin is missing its article, and there is no arrival time provided. Writing 1 simple, accurate sentence for every bullet point reduces the surface area for grammatical mistakes and ensures you don't leave a requirement empty. The exam also tests formal messages. In scenario 2, you are writing to your teacher, Herr Weber. Because of the change in relationship, the informal rules no longer apply. Our points are apologize, give a reason, and ask for homework. Casual greetings like Hallo and Tschüss must be replaced by Guten Tag and Viele Grüße to maintain the correct formal register. Pause the video and find the 4 major mistakes in this student's formal submission. First, the register. Hallo becomes Guten Tag, Herr Weber. Next, we replace the informal du with the formal Sie. Können Sie mir bitte die Hausaufgaben schicken? Now look at the verb placement. The student wrote Seit gestern ich bin krank. When a sentence begins with a time expression like seit gestern, the verb must immediately follow it in the 2nd position. It becomes Seit gestern bin ich krank. Finally, we add the missing definite article to die Hausaufgaben. In formal German, failing to adapt your register and verb placement creates structural friction. These errors lower your score automatically, regardless of how many words you write. Let's review the final text. Guten Tag, Herr Weber. Leider kann ich morgen nicht kommen. Apology, complete. Seit gestern bin ich krank. Reason, complete. Können Sie mir bitte die Hausaufgaben schicken? Question, complete. By hitting these 3 requirements with simple sentences, you satisfy the core criteria. This brings us to step 5, the final checklist. Before you submit your paper, use these questions to verify your work. Did I answer all 3 points? Did I use Sie or du? Is the verb in position 2? Did I use or gegen? Screenshot this list for your study sessions. Following these mechanical steps transforms the A2 writing assessment into a predictable and solvable task.